Good day everyone. Welcome back to Sheila Talks. We're going to talk about leadership. Leadership refers to the quality of leading people. Probably, it is the one of the most important aspects of life. Above all, leadership has led to the progress of human civilization. Without good leadership, no organization or group can succeed. Furthermore, not everyone has the quality. This is because effective leadership requires certain important characteristics. Good leader, for me, must be calm, polite, and sensitive while talking. Decisions at the same time, he must also be firm and strict. He must have a beguiling and profound character. A leader must be able to initiate work and create confidence in his group. Motivation is likewise a significant ability of a leader. Ang pagiging isang mahusay na pinuno o leader ay hindi lamang nakikita sa posisyon na hawak nito. Hindi rin ito nakikita sa pagbibigay lamang ng mga direksyon o utos na tutupadin ng kanyang mga kasama. Ito ang mga katangian ng isang mabuting leader. Matapang, hindi natatakot sa mga pagsubok, mapagkumbaba, alam niyang makinig at matuto sa mga boses ng mga taong nasa posisyong mas mababa sa kanya. Matapat, hindi siya nagsisinungaling at palaging totoo ang sinasabi. Maunawain, nakikinig siya at naiintindihan ang damdamin ng iba. Masipag, laging handang magtrabaho at tumulong. May malasakit, nagmamalasakit siya sa kanyang mga kasama. Organisado, may plano at alam kung paano ito isa sa katuparan. Maabilidad sa pakikipag-ugnayan. Mahusay makipag-usap at makipag-konekta sa iba. Nakaka-inspire, nakakapagbigay siya ng pag-asa at motibasyon sa iba. Handang matuto, binubukas niya ang sarili sa mga bagong kaalaman at ideya. Para sa akin, ang mga leaders na may ganitong katangian ay mas madali nilang napapanatili ang tiwala at respeto ng kanilang mga kasama. Qualities of a good leader. Confidence is the most quality. A leader must have strong self-confidence. A person lacking in confidence can never be a good leader. A person must be confident enough to ensure others follow him. The leader must have confidence in his decisions and actions. If he is unsure, then how can people have the desire to follow him? A good leader must certainly inspire others. A leader must be a role model for his followers. Furthermore, he must motivate them whenever possible. Also, in difficult situations, a leader must not lose hope. How can a leader inspire people if he himself is hopeless? Honesty is another notable quality of a leader. Honesty and integrity are important to earn the love of followers. Above all, honesty is essential to win the trust of the people. Probably, every leadership which loses trust is bound to fail. People will not work with full of effort due to an immoral leader. Good communication is a must for a good leader. This is because poor communication means the wrong message to followers. Furthermore, good communication will increase the rate of work. Also, the chances of mistakes by followers will reduce. Another important quality is decision making. Above all, if a leader makes poor decisions, then other qualities will not matter furthermore. Good decisions making ensures the success of entire group. If the leader makes poor decisions, then the effort of followers won't matter. A good leader must be an excellent innovator. He must display a creative attitude in his work. Most noteworthy, innovation is a guarantee of survival of a group or innovation. Without creative thinking, progress is not possible. Ang maging mabuting pinuno o leader ay dapat maging responsable. Pinariringgan ng mga opinyon ng bawat tao, inuuna ang kapakanan ng mga tao sa bayan, at dapat may disiplina sa sarili at maging matapat at masipag. A good leader is a good follower. Kung nais mong sundin ka ng iyong mga kagrupo, dapat ay gawin mo rin o maging halimbawa ka sa mga nais mong ipagawa o mangyari sa iyong grupo. A good leader is a good listener. Hindi dahil isa kang leader, ay dapat ikaw lang ang masusunod. Matuto kang makinig ng mga ibang mungkahi galing sa iyong mga nasasakupan.